as we present to you 106-year-old, this beautiful black beauty's iron horse on an inaugural public journey, departing here from Mount Barker Station at 10:45 a.m. Please feel free to take photos and to share them on social media. Make sure you tag us in. And once again, as RX224 pulls across the station here, put your hands together for our guest speakers, for our volunteers, for all our staff as well, for joining us here on a special occasion, to each and every one of you here for your support of Steam Racing. Have a great day and welcome RX224. Now, as you know, ladies and gentlemen, today is extra special, a day that we haven't seen with Steam Asia for many decades. We have 3 locomotives in steam today. It's not just RX224, RX207 and 621 at the tail end, offering a shuttle service across the day to beautiful visual ranges across Hilltop Hill in the Adelaide Hills. So, of course, today's operations will go across the day. We've got our trolley lines behind our main line here. The depot is open for the day as well, plus a lot of community services provided all times to Waterways today, barbecue and other family activities and demonstrations. So please enjoy the day.
Your attention, please. For your safety, please listen to the important announcement. The train is now arriving into the platform at Mount Barker Station. Please stand clear of the white line and stand with your children.